Hey you guys, so I just wanted to show y'all real quick how I make cabbage for whatever we're cooking. This is just a half because I know we'll probably eat some more later on in the week. So I just took off like the outer layer of the cabbage and I cut it in half, and this core part, all I do, run my knife down like that and across and then down again, and I just take it out like so. Okay. I just pop it out like that. So all this is going to go in the trash. And you're supposed to clean your cabbage. So what I do, I cut mine first and then I put it put in a thing of water, cold water, and then I get the colander and I drain it. So I just cut it small. I have to cut mine small. Some small pieces, some large pieces. So yeah. So, and then I like to see how this is like really white. It doesn't taste good. So I just go ahead and I just cut that part out. Okay. Sorry, I'm making something to eat for lunch. So yeah, you just cut. Probably should use a different knife. Okay, and then I'm just going to put them in this bowl. Okay, and then just run some cold water. Run some cold water over it. And let it soak for a little bit. And then I'll put it in a colander, rinse it out, and then cook it. Okay? So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I just quickly cut some onions, and I'm gonna season them real quick. So just a little salt. And in the pot right now, this is just extra virgin olive oil, so I can, you know, cook these down a little bit. Just some salt and pepper on these. And the onions, and then I'm just gonna toss them in there real quick. Ooh. Usually I would put a turkey leg in here, a smoked turkey leg, but I don't have that today, so yeah, we won't be using that today. So I didn't put a lot of the extra virgin olive oil because I will be putting some butter in. So after that, just real quick, get some butter. I just eyeball it. I don't know how much this is. Probably like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. I don't know. Whatever. Just let that go down a little bit. Okay, so while that does what it does, I turn it down a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna turn y'all around real quick. Let's see, or maybe not. Can I turn it? Yeah. Okay. That, can y'all see it? Okay, that's the cabbage. So I'm just gonna season the cabbage real quick. Some pepper, some adobo or goya, however you want to call it. Just a little. Some garlic powder. Some Mrs. Dash table blend seasoning. And I like a lot of this stuff. Okay. And then if y'all have seen the Haitian video, this is some pickles, so just a little bit. It does, pickles does add flavor to your whatever you're cooking. So I just add a little bit of that. Okay. And then, did I put salt? I don't think I did. Put a little bit of salt. And then some apple cider vinegar. I like my cabbage to be very vinegary, if that's a word. So I just put 1 tablespoon for, or one capful for now, and then later I'll add more. So yeah, just mix that up. Okay. And then turn back this way. Okay, then put them into here. Can't know, I don't know if y'all can see. Okay. Bless me. I didn't sneeze into the cabbage, but yeah, I guess that doesn't matter because y'all not eating this no way, and I'm the only one gonna be eating this. So, my germs. Okay, put that in there. Lower the temperature a little bit. And then I add more butter. Probably shouldn't do that, but what, like I said, whatever. Do what I want, how I want. Okay, that's it. And then cover it and let it do what it do. Okay, and then probably once I notice that it started cooking down some, I will add some more vinegar. So yeah, that's it, and we'll be back later. Peace. Alright y'all, so it's reduced down some. So now I'm gonna do is add a little bit more vinegar. Like I said, I like the vinegar taste. So just a little bit. Another, about half of a capful. Or, never mind, a whole capful. So I'm just gonna fill this up halfway again. Okay. That's apple cider vinegar. Just gonna turn it like that. Okay. And that's it. And just let it sit for another however long. Just let it simmer. And that will be all. That's an onion. Alright.